Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a review. A company reached out to me. It's an Amazon company and it's called LAYADO. So they sent me this nail drill. Looks like this, the packaging. It's got 3 different colors. Mine is in this beautiful champagne gold. It is like an aluminum drill. So let me take this out. So it looks like this. Very, very beautiful. And it's a professional nail drill kit with 20,000 RPM adjustable speed electric nail drill set with nail file, brush, and color diamond for nails. So let me show you all the goodies. So you do charge it. It does bring the USB cables. And it's pretty long, so if you're doing your nails and it's running, like you can see it's running low, you can charge it while you're doing it. I think that's always a good thing, except those short little plugs that sometimes come with these things. So in the packaging, you get, you get a nice file, you know, really nice. I like that. And as you can see, my nails are horrible. So this came in just in time. You know, the nail salons, they're by appointment, and sometimes the appointments that they have, I'm not available for them. So this is perfect. I can do my nails at home, just at least clean them up and, you know, cut the cuticles and stuff like that. So it brings this little brush so that you can dust off when you're done. It's got some nice diamonds on the bottom. Really, really nice kabuki style. So I like that. And then you also get a pack of like diamonds and stuff. So this is nice because sometimes when I go to the nail salon and I tell them, you know, how much is it to do the diamonds? They're like $1 each. And I'm like, that's like an additional $50 for you to make a design on top of whatever. So if I can get my nails done and then add my own diamonds and, you know, stuff like that, that's amazing. And, you know, with quarantine, we've been doing a lot of our own things. Like we've been dyeing our own hair, cutting our own hair, or at least I have. So I was looking into getting like a nail kit to start doing nails and stuff, but this is good to start off because I can learn to shape my nails and cuticles and do stuff like that. And then, you know, we'll take it from there. But it also brings a case with the drills. And I like that it comes in a nice case and it's just not loose running around, you know. So let me take this tape off. So this case is not too, you know, but it'll keep them nice and clear and safe. You can see what's in it, and it's got different sizes of drills. You can do the corners, you can like shape around, you can do a whole bunch of stuff. So I am excited to try this because I needed something like this, and like I said, this came at the perfect time. So this is everything that's in the bag. You do get your instructions. It tells you how to use it, how you would, you know, how you would put them in the hole, because, you know, it's pretty simple. You just put them in, change them out. Yeah, and then it's ready to go. And then it shows you how to plug it, how to hold it, you know, things like that. So I thought this was really nice. I was very interested in this when they asked if I wanted to, you know, review it, because it is something that, like, I live in Connecticut, I live in Danbury, and our numbers were so low. And they have spiked up tremendously. The kids are supposed to go back to school, and now they were doing 2 days of school and then the rest of the days online. Now it's all online. So I'm pretty sure it's just a matter of time before the salons close again and we're back to press-on nails. So I thought this was such a great, you know, thing to have, you know, perfect timing. I'm so happy with it. I want to just thank LAYADO again. Look how beautiful that is. The packaging, everything. So came in a nice packaging in this little box. And I thought this was so great because, again, if you're like me and you're trying to do a lot of the stuff yourself now, that you don't want to be going into salons and you don't want to go into the nail salon, you don't want to be sitting with other people, you know, using the tools that other people are using, this is so great. So I will leave the link down below. It's on Amazon for $19.99. It comes in different colors. You get your input USB cable, you know, aluminum. I got the champagne color, and I think it's great for a beginner. I think this is so great, something that, you know, everybody's gonna want to use, you know, because I'm really not trying to soak my feet in tubs where other people have been and do my toes or my nails right now, even though I look at my hands and I'm like, oh. But now with this, I feel like I'm gonna get it together. I'm gonna get it together. So I just want to show you guys, you know, if you're looking to do your own nails. If not, you know, maybe you know someone who is. But I just thought it was so good, and it's chargeable. You don't need batteries. It shows on the side, you know, how you would charge it. If you had your battery banks and you want to use, you can do that. So yeah, I thought this was so good. So I'm so happy I got it, and I can't wait to try it. So now I'm gonna go film something else, which is my fall decor, because I picked up a couple of pieces. So if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, join the family, and again, thank you so much to LAYADO company for sending me this. I'm not getting paid for this, they just sent me it to review. So, you know, I'm excited to try it. I'll let you guys know later on in a few videos once I've tried it how it works, if I like it, if it's kind of hard, even though it looks pretty simple. And I'll keep you guys updated. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.